Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to set up your Shopify taxes. But before that, please do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. When you're selling online, you need to collect sales tax for any item that you've sold. However, please take note that it will vary from country to country. Some may only have to collect sales tax if you have a physical location there. Others are based off of a revenue threshold of how many sales you're making for products in that state. And each state also has different levels of the threshold. But on other states, you don't have to collect sales tax on a certain item. There is a new feature called Shopify Tax. You can get this by going to your settings and your Shopify backend and then taxes and duties, and you can set up there which individual states you need to be collecting sales tax for, and it will start showcasing based off of your thresholds. Don't worry because it will notify you when you need to start collecting sales tax. Make sure that your products are categorized correctly within Shopify, so you can find this area in the taxes and duties section. It will help Shopify know based off of different states that charge taxes for different types of category of products. I hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching. Bye!